Bring you more of In the Kitchen with Mary live this afternoon. Let's talk about this nifty little number. Now, I know in our graphic on the screen that it says it's a 2-in-1. The reason why this is an important find right now is a number of reasons fold. This is actually a 3-in-1, and we're going to explain why. But it's time to take your food on the go again. Doesn't it feel good to think that way? And if you are taking a casserole or you're taking some bowls over and you want to help keep them warm, this is a neoprene cover. But this is in partnership with a company that really knows their way around carriers. And our friend Lisa Lasorda is going to tell us all about it. But first, I would love for everybody to see that we do have color options for you. I am holding the brown. On QVC.com, we have 5 total, including the brown, but we also have a red, we have blue, we have green, and at the very end, we've got black. Now, it's a clearance price, $18.98, and it's on 5 easy payments of $3.80. Lisa, this is such a cool idea, but Temptations partnered up with a name that we recognize.
Yeah, and it's like California Innovations. Do I need to say anything else, right? Because they are the gurus, the #1 in totes. We don't have any other carrier in our line, and this is neoprene. So here's what's so cool about this. First of all, neoprene is super stretchy. Like, it will just form right around your baker. It will keep hot things hot longer, cold things cold longer. It is so well constructed. From that reinforced handle right there, because it holds up to 50 pounds. Yes, wow. 50 pounds right there. Wow. And here's why it's a 3-in-1, because it's like an envelope, right? So it will hold up to a 9x13 carrier. You're just going to literally feed it in right there. Then what you can do is you take the 2 pieces of the envelope, if you will, apart, and you'll see that there's little perforations right here, Mary. And what that allows me to do is to pick hot bakers up out of my oven. Watch, just like this. I literally open it all the way, put my hands on the side, wrap around the baker, and do you see how my midsection is now protected?
I like that.
And the third reason is it's a trivet. So there's your 3-in-1 that I now can put my hot baker right onto a trivet. Mary, this is really a stunning, amazing piece. And this price, wow.
I mean, the black already popular in the show. The brown is what I'm holding. I would put this down on top of somebody's wooden buffet and put my hot baker on it. No worries. But you know what else? This price. Oh my gosh. I mean, the price is worth picking up a couple today alone. It is a clearance price. Wait a minute. Let me get that tag out of the way. Maybe if I look through this side. That clearance price is $18.98. So oh, sorry, I was over here. $18.98. This is the world of Temptations. Yes, it's cute, but it's super, super functional. Don't let the cuteness of Temptations fool you. It is meant to do the hard work. I can put a 9x13 in here, Lisa. What else could I fit in here? What can it handle?
Yeah, it can handle bowls, it can handle bakers, and what I love about it is that it just literally slips right in. It's easy with neoprene. Did you see that? Like, literally, you can just literally push it right in there because it's so stretchy. But here's what I want to tell you. When I go to lift it up now, this hot baker that just came out of the oven, I can't feel it, but it's being kept nice and warm in here. And then look at this, up to 50 pounds. I mean, this is a 9x13 filled with lasagna, so that's really heavy. Come with me. I'm going to go to the refrigerator, and I just want to show you. Check this out. I have a 3.5 quart oval baker that now will fit right in as well. I love the colorful design on the outside. It's the old world and floral lace mix. I also like how I can do things one-handed.
Of course you can.
That's, you literally just feed it right in there. It has the Velcro hook and loop closure on both sides. And then look at that, Mary, like ready to go. It's just amazing.
Have you ever seen here at QVC when a host stops hosting the show and they just start shopping? That's what y'all just saw. I was watching the show, mouth full open. You know why? because we're taking our food on the go again. You know what? We're wandering over to the neighbor's house. We're jumping in the car. And I read a survey, and I read this statistic where 74% of Americans are planning on taking a road trip this summer. You know what? Even if it's just down the road, I want to make sure that that food keeps its integrity, and this is how you do it. Folks are picking up more than one. Let's talk about the color options that we have right now. The black is very popular in the show. We also have our next color choice, which is ooh, that green is pretty. That's a year-round green, too. Summertime and holiday season, 500 are remaining in that green. Next, we have the brown that's here with me. If you live anywhere near Hershey, Pennsylvania, you need this brown. I'm saying. Come on. Then the next color choice that we have for you is blue. Again, great for the 4th of July, great for Labor Day, but also holiday season. That blue is going to transfer beautifully. Then we have the red. Come on. 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day. Red is a great one to pick up to cover so many different events. But the price tag means there's no reorder. So when that great price sells out and our unofficial kickoff to summer celebration with the 5 easy payments on clearance priced items is gone, this is not going to come back. So definitely pick it up while we have it on the screen. But those $3.80 to get it home, you have 30 days to try it. If you don't love it, you send it back to us. Because when you see a clearance priced item, if you're shopping QVC for the first time, when you see a clearance priced item, that doesn't mean you can't return it. You can still return it. That's how much turnover we have here at QVC. We've got to keep it moving through our warehouses because this is a top shelf product that you're getting at a great price today. So please, more options with our friend Lisa, who, I mean, I can't believe you don't have a headache yet. My head would absolutely be pounding with that elastic around my chin. You're a sport.
Seriously, I love this carrier so much. I love that it folds flat. Think about other carriers that you buy that are bulky and you're like, where am I going to store this? Or maybe you're putting things in those hard coolers. You don't have to do that anymore. This will keep hot, hot, cold, cold. It's the only carrier we have in our line. We start with that beautiful solid. So you pick your solid color. And then we just bring it to life with 2 colored flowers, with the white and the yellow pop. It's just stunning. It's reinforced with a handle at the top, and then it has 2 Velcro hook and loop closures on either side. So super easy to get hot bakers in there. And even if you go to the grocery store and pick up some prepared food that's hot, have this in your trunk. Pop it in. Maybe you're picking up some freezer section foods. Pop your gallon of ice cream right in here. Oh, Mare, I love that.
Isn't it?
Did you roll it?
I did. This is all you have to store. I would keep this in the back of the car. I would keep this where the cutting boards are. I mean, this is anywhere that you have your aprons rolled up in the I mean, this is great.
Absolutely. And let's remember what it's going to hold. I have an oval shaped baker in here that's holding my cold fruit. This is a 3.5 quart baker that came out of here. By the way, nothing like matching your stoneware and your carrier. I mean, talk about together. Let's go, right?
I'm telling you, when I break out my temptations, people that I am serving food to are always like, ooh, she has it together. Okay, because it just looks like I do, even if I burnt the food a little bit. Now, the one that I'm holding is the brown. The one that Lisa has is the red. We also have it available on QVC.com in blue and in black, but I know the black has been very popular in the Kitchen with Mary this afternoon also. So please don't wait on any of those. Lisa, thank you. We'll see you again in just a little bit. 5 easy payments of $3.80. Now, Lisa brought this earlier and it was very popular. It was how we kicked off our show. It is K49447.